Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Traci, and our two guests. Our inspiration piece came to us by Daisy. It's a recipe list. And then she also provided us several sketches that we could select from. And I selected this one for layout number 3. All right. And I'm documenting a photograph of my husband and my little guy. They had a lunch date after my little guy's dentist appointment, and it was a big deal because he had gotten his permanent front tooth knocked out by a hockey stick. And so it was a long process and several dentist appointments, and it took 6 months before he finally got his crown for his front tooth. And boy, was that an expensive bill. But anyway, back to my layout here. All right, I have my Creative Memories heart, and I am taking those blades there. The blue cuts the furthest out from that heart shape, and then the green in the middle, so I have these real thin heart shapes. I'll have 2 of them on my layout, actually 3. And then I'm going to use the solid right there and put it in the middle of the white one. And I end up only using 2 of the thin ones for this layout. I get out my white acrylic paint and I water it down a little bit, and then I am going to make splatters on top of my base paper, which that is a close to my heart paper, and it has pre-printed little bows on it, and then it is cut 11.5 by 11.5 and backed to the 12 by 12 white daisy cardstock. All right, you see that black and white flower print underneath my acetate? I cut those because I thought I was going to use it on this layout. And I also wanted to watercolor each one of those flowers. I did not use them on this layout. I did keep them. They will get used later on a layout. I haven't used them yet, but I saved them. I just wanted to let you know. All right, I used my Cricut and went to the design site and found these little puzzle pieces that said lunchtime. I thought they were really cute. And as you can see, I used 2 pattern papers and then my daisy white cardstock, and then I backed it with some cardstock so that you could see the word lunchtime. And I just layered those up in the lower right-hand corner. That little vellum piece that says your day, that is also from Close to My Heart, and that came out with the collection called Celebrate Today, which I think is still available, and I am a consultant. I'll have my link listed below. Becky and Kathy are also consultants as well, so if you would like to purchase from them, that's fine. I just wanted to let you know. In my kit, I have these cloud chipboard pieces, and I layered them up, and I'm just kind of scooting them in the upper left-hand corner back and forth, trying to decide exactly where I want them to be. And then I'm going to take that clear, it's a clear sticker, but the color isn't translucent, so it doesn't, you can see it very clear, that moon, or if it's Saturn or whatever, it's got that red around it. And I layer that up as a cluster. I thought I was going to put that flare there, but I don't. I end up using it in the lower left-hand side of my layout. I'm bringing in my chipboard pieces, which is those little arrows, and then I'm going to have the XOs, the XO, and the word we. And I'm going to use that white acrylic paint that you can still see on that acetate sheet to the right. And I'm just going to dip my finger in it. Yep, I don't care. I'm going to get messy. I'm going to dip my little index finger, and I am just going to paint those wood veneer using my finger in that paint. So that's what you're going to see me do right now. Why I am just a little bit ahead of myself, I want to remind you that I have the Mini Kit Monday ladies links to their channel listed below, along with our 2 guests. So please be sure to go and check everyone's channel out. Show a little love by giving a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to our channels and hit that notification button so you'll receive notification every time we post, because we just don't post for Mini Kit Monday. All right, we are posting on other collaborations or special hops, or just because we want to. All right, because we like bringing inspiration to you, because the whole deal behind this is to scrapbook those memories in a fun, creative way. Make sure that when you're scrapbooking your memories, if you do it in the front of your layout or behind your layout, be sure to identify who's in the picture, where the event is, and the year of it. And then, of course, if you want to tell a story, please do so. Your friends and family members that are looking at your layouts want to know a little bit more about what they're looking at, right? So be sure that you scrap or journal a little bit. But most importantly, you are still journaling if you're just documenting the name, where, what's the event of the photograph, and make sure you put the year, all right? And if you're like me, I do it 50% behind the layout, all right? Back to this layout. All right, as you can see, I got out some die cuts and some stickers, and those are from Pink Fresh Studios Travel Collection. And I am just figuring out my layering right now. So I put that one sticker that says for two, and I think this one says relax or something like that. I can't tell while I'm editing because my screen is really small. I do remove the Rome up there and put a sticker next to we, which will serve as my title. And I don't have the layout in front of me, so I can't remember what the sticker says, but I know you can read it, but I just can't read it right at the moment. And this layout is complete. I appreciate every one of you and every one of you that leave comments. I try to comment back, but if I don't, my little heart back to you lets you know that I have read your comments, and I do appreciate it. I have been just really busy lately, so I will be getting back to commenting on everyone that leaves a comment by the month of March. All right, get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and give thumbs up so I get traffic to my channel, because that's what keeps me inspired to keep doing these videos. All right, until next time, have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome month. All right, bye.